Last box of limited. Good luck, KBlue. It's kind of fat. I think he got a patch in here or something. There you go. No, it's not the fatty. I don't think there's a redemption. Nope. Team trademarks, Nikki Lidstrom. Patrice Bergeron, base. Carey Price, red, number to 49. Luke Robitaille. Love these cards. Brothers in Arms, dual jersey. Andre Pavlich, Chris Mason, number to 199. Oh, you did get the case hit. We have a Silver Spotlight Rookie Phenoms Auto, number to 49, Tomas Vinsuller, number to 49, Silver Spotlight Rookie Auto, and a Banner Season Jersey, numbered 49 of 99, Mr. Zdeno Chara.